Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selena here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a pack with me video. So I'm going to be going away in the next couple days, and I just wanted to do a quick packing with me video just to show y'all what's in my carry-on. I'm a carry-on girl all out. I don't take no checked baggage, just carry on because I don't want to risk losing my bags and all that nonsense. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be bringing with me on my 4-day trip to Orlando. So this is my carry-on bag, as you can see here. It is a Samsonite luggage, little carry-on. Perfect little size. And it's the 360 wheels, so they just kind of do this. The handlebar in here. The one thing I really love about this luggage is the fact that it has a lock. So this here is like a number lock, which I think is fantastic. So you don't have to buy any sort of locks or anything like that, and having the case of it being broken or stolen or anything like that, which is very handy. So in the front here, this is really the only pocket that it has. And in this pocket I packed passport, obviously, because we're still in COVID times. Wipes. So if you're traveling with carry-on, you can only have one bag of 1 liters. These are all the liquids that I'm going to be carrying with me. So sanitizer, body spray, some toner, cleanser, sunscreen, and some creams. Oh, and my medication, yes. I bought this actually at the dollar store, so if you're looking for one of these, the dollar store has great finds for this. I'm gonna get into the fun stuff. So I've pretty much packed everything that I needed. This kind of opens up like this, so it's easy to take it out. Some masks, some undergarments. This is my little nightly package, so my deodorant, some floss, toothpaste, razor, hairbrush, a sponge to wash my body, and this one here is all clothing, shoes. I'm going to be putting my makeup bag in this pocket as well, but I'm still kind of using that right now, so I'm not going to put that into last minute. There's some workout clothes because I want to be working out. They have a nice gym there at the hotel that we picked. Pajamas, and 2 bathing suits because obviously your girl's going to be swimming. And this is the cap for swimming. Clearly I haven't even touched it. So because I'm going to be going on my birthday weekend, I packed a birthday dress, a nice birthday dinner dress. This I actually bought at Zara, and it was like 15 bucks. Some capris. It's not supposed to be super hot there, but just nice enough to be able to wear light clothing. Here's some more capris. And I packed them in a way where everything fits, so see here, that's one outfit. That's a t-shirt. And I kind of roll it up like this. But I'll show you guys how I do it afterwards, since I'm taking everything out now. Dress. See, the way you kind of fold it, it has to be really compacted for everything to fit. T-shirt. This is a romper. And it's crazy how, like, the way I fold it, you can't even tell what certain things are, right? Until you unfold them. This is another romper. Probably one of my favorites, actually. And some t-shirts. T-shirts with some capris here as well. These are t-shirts. And this is another dress I actually bought in my recent trip to Texas. Clearly with the tag on it and everything. You know, I haven't even touched it. It's so funny. So hopefully I get to wear it. And last but not least, shoes. You need some shoes. So here I have a bag of some slides. You definitely need slides if you're going to be at a hotel or something, even if it's just something you want to like quickly walk out in. Definitely get you some slides. And sandals, obviously. So I'm going to show you guys how I pack the inside here to make it all fit, and I'll even put in my makeup bag as well to show you guys. So let's get started. So this is the makeup bag that I was mentioning. I put this right at the bottom here. Same with the shoes, and everything else will go on top. Oh, and this pocket, I forgot to mention, this is kind of like a safety door lock. I bought it on Amazon. Maybe once I get to Orlando, I will show you guys how I use this. But if you are traveling alone, or if you just want extra safety measures in your hotel room, get one of these. That is my little carry-on for the next 4 days on my trip. And my personal item, because you could carry one personal item with you. It could be either a backpack, a purse, it could be a laptop bag, any sort of thing like that. This is going to be my personal item. And in here I have, I packed this a while ago, I don't remember. So because I'm Canadian, I'm going to take my Canadian cash with me. I mean my American cash with me. Some lip balm, some extra masks. And that is it for my little pack with me. Very simple, very easy. I don't like to overpack, but I also don't like to underpack either. I like to pack the right amount of things that I feel like I'll need. Anything extra as well. I may actually put my medication in my personal item. Anything that you will need on hand right away. If it's a puffer, medication, anything like that, put it in your personal item bag, please. Even like passports, any personal documentations, keep it in your personal item. Because if the flight gets full, put this in here for now. If the flight gets too full, sometimes this happened to me where they will kind of put your carry-ons and check them because there's no other space in the overhead bins. So just to be on the safe side, everything you need in your personal item. In your personal item bag. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my little pack with me video. Very simple, very quick. I'm a very straightforward type of person. I don't like to overdo anything when it comes to packing because it stresses me out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys put in your carry-on bags and your personal items and even in your checked baggage. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to be vlogging my whole trip as well, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye!